आज मेधावी स्किल युनिभर्सिटीले गान्तोकको मनन केन्द्रमा 2024 को प्रारम्भ ब्याचका विद्यार्थीहरूको निमित्त स्वागत कार्यक्रम आयोजना गरेको छ। पहिलो चरणको कार्यक्रममा गान्तोक प्रशासन केन्द्रका जिल्ला अधिकारी तुषार निखारे मुख्य अतिथिको रूपमा उपस्थित भएका थिए भने त्यसैगरी दोस्रो चरणको कार्यक्रममा सिक्किम उच्च न्यायालयका मुख्य न्यायाधीश विश्वनाथ सोमदार मुख्य अतिथिको रूपमा उपस्थित भएका थिए। त्यसैगरी युनिभर्सिटीका प्रोफेसर चान्सलर तथा को-फाउन्डर कुलदीप शर्मा, युनिभर्सिटीका प्राध्यापकगण 200 भन्दा अधिक विद्यार्थीहरूको पनि उपस्थिति रहेको थियो। आयोजित कार्यक्रमको अवसरमा विद्यार्थीहरूले विभिन्न नृत्य अनि गायनहरू पनि प्रदर्शन गरेका थिए।
Yes. So, hello everyone. I am co-founder and pro-chancellor of Medhavi Skills University, Kuldeep Sharma. Today we had our induction session, which was chief guest was Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court of Sikkim, Justice Vishwanath Somadar. So it was a great event chaired by him and with the presence of the DM Gangtok Tusarji, Gajanan Nikhareji also. So today was the beginning of the new academic year of the university, and the students were made aware about all the steps to be followed, what in next 3 years, what they will get, and how about the university and how they can shape their career in the university. So it was about that. Along with that, there was huge participation of different categories of musical performance by our brilliant students, and which was exceptionally good. And the new students will get the opportunity to develop themselves, to grow themselves in this kind of very positive environment of Medhavi Skills University. And along with their skills through on-the-job training and different activities of the university, they will be able to develop their leadership qualities with participation in sports, in musical events, etc.
And performances by students, old students, new students have been conducted today.
So how did you find, how did you make idea to operate college in Sikkim, because you can see that population is not so in huge quantity, so that huge college student will come over here. So how did you find the idea to operate college in Sikkim?
So Medhavi Skills University, although it started in 2021, but the roots are existent since last 13 years through the activities of Medhavi Foundation, which is now India's largest skill development and training organization, which caters to more than 30,000 students every year. So we knew how the skill development is spanning and how it's important, and we, through now getting a license to operate a skills university, we connected our learning in the skill development space with higher education. Now our programs are very employment oriented. All the students who are enrolled in the university gets an opportunity to do on-the-job training in our industry partnerships across India, not only in Sikkim, so that when they graduate, they have the work experience, they have all the professional learning, and they have the right skills and the entire holistic learning to be a great individual.
Medhavi being a group of institution, till the date of now, what are your major achievements you have achieved in this in recent years, or over this all in the college?
So Medhavi as a group in the last 13 years has focused on only one most important thing, which is the vision of the university, which is to empower students with right skill set so that they can become employable and succeed in their life. Now with this motto, what we have been doing is we have tied up with a lot of industries. Not only industries, we have tied up with our Indian Defence Forces like Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Army, Sahastra Seema Bal, and these collaborations are out, not only restricted to the campus. We are going across different states. We are tying up with these defence forces. We are tying up with different industries, and it's an entire ecosystem we are trying to build. So I am very proud that Medhavi Skills University, through its effort, has now become a national brand in the skill ecosystem.
Krishna Kumari Mukesh Maro. So म चाहिँ फोर्थ सेमिस्टर स्टुडेन्ट हो. म चाहिँ डिप्लोमा इन रेडियोलोजी मेडिकल इमेजिङ गर्दैछु. सो मेरो चाहिँ एडमिसन गरेदेखि चाहिँ यतासम्म चाहिँ मेरो जर्नी चाहिँ अब टोटली मेरो चाहिँ म जस्तो स्कुलमा थिएँ त्यसको अहिले म बेटर एन्ड न्यू भर्जन अब अहिले कलेजमा आएर चाहिँ म त्यस्तो लाग्छ। अब हाम्रो कलेजले चाहिँ मेधावी स्किल युनिभर्सिटीले चाहिँ पढाइमा मात्रै होइन अदर स्किल्सहरू एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलमहरूतिर पनि सबैमातिर इक्वली अटेन्सन दिनुहुन्छ। सो हामी चाहिँ रिसेन्टली स्किल इन्डियाबाट हामी स्किल इन्डियाको चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम हामीले सिक्किमलाई चाहिँ रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेको थियो हो। सो हाम्रो स्कुलले हाम्रो कलेजले चाहिँ अब यस्तो राम्रो राम्रो अब प्लेटफर्म दिन्छ जहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो जस्ट हाम्रो स्टडिज मात्रै होइन। सो ओभरअल हाम्रो पर्सनालिटी कन्फिडेन्ट ओभरअल न्यू भर्जन हाम्रो बेटर एन्ड न्यू भर्जन चाहिँ हाम्रो कलेज चाहिँ डेभलप गरिदिन्छ।
मेरो नाम चाहिँ राधिका छेत्री हो। अन्त म चाहिँ बेनपेकु बस्तीबाट। अन्त अहिले म चाहिँ यहाँ मेधावी स्किल युनिभर्सिटीमा इमर्जेन्सी मेडिकल टेक्नोलोजी कोर्स गर्दैछु। अन्त मेरो जर्नी फर्स्ट जोइन गरेदेखि अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ मेधावीमा अब इट वाज लाइक भेरी गुड, किनकि मैले अब यहाँ चाहिँ अब पढाइपट्टि मात्रै होइन मेरो प्र्याक्टिकल स्किल्सहरू जति पनि थियो त्यो पनि मैले यहाँनिर देखाउन सकेँ। अन्त स्किल्स भन्नुपर्दा हिजो चाहिँ हामीले सिक्किमलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेर आयो दिल्लीमा। सो त्यो नै अब ठुलो अचिभमेन्ट छ हाम्रो लागि। अन्त मेधावीले गर्दाखेरि हामीले त्यो अब एउटा सक्सेस हासिल गर्न सक्यौँ।
Since we get to know that you are from our neighbor state, right? So how you find the college till the date of now?
Okay. So firstly, my name is Taya Atup. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. So I'm currently pursuing BSc Nursing. So we are the first batch. So like we chose this college because this university is providing like very good opportunity for our nursing, and like this university mainly focus on our skills. So that's the most important thing. So that's why we are here.
Okay, how do you find the college in the date of knowing that you are from different state of India, right? So you visited Sikkim to study, and how you find Medhavi College in the date of now?
First of all, hello, my name is Preeti and I'm from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I've come to Sikkim to pursue BSc Nursing, and I came to know this college by searching in the internet. I got this opportunity and I got called back by from the university to come and join the university. So I took the admission. After that, I knew about the college that it provides skill-based studies, and especially they give us on-job training also early, so that we can adapt to the nursing. That's all. Thank you.
How you get to know about this college? Can you say it in detail?
How I got to know? Yeah, like I said, I got to know it by the internet, and I saw the university and I applied for the university, and it provides us, it gives various opportunities in the field of nursing. And we are the first batch of the Medhavi Skill University, and the university which I have applied for it is situated in Barmoik. They provide us hostels there, and they provide all our meals and our transportations, and we are thankful for that. Yeah, it seemed to be a trustful university, and it will provide me better skill during my course. Thank you.
We focus on making students future ready with the needs of industry. By acquiring skills, make students competitive in their careers. With relevant skills, making students are more marketable. With collaboration, keep updated with industry trends. During course, students are earning from their activities in the industry. Supplements to on-job learning on a regular schedule during course. Don't wait, secure your future now. Admission open. Medhavi Skills University, Singham, Bermioc. Contact us at 9874875876 or visit our website www.msu.edu.in.
के तपाईँ सिलिगुडीमा व्यापार गर्न सोच्नु हुँदैछ? त्यसो भए व्यापारको नयाँ उचाइ लिएर आइरहेको छ द्वारिका ओरियन, जहाँ तपाईले पाउनुहुनेछ 5 तले भवनमा 10 अत्याधुनिक व्यावसायिक स्थानहरू, जहाँ तपाईले वास्तु कम्प्लेन्ट, 24/7 सेक्युरिटी, लिफ्ट, लबी आदि सुविधाहरू प्राप्त गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। त्यसैले आज नै बुकिङ गर्नुहोस् र तपाईको व्यवसायलाई नयाँ उचाइमा लाने अवसर प्राप्त गर्नुहोस्। द्वारिका ओरियन, नियर कोर्टयार्ड बाई माट्रियट, हिलकार्ड रोड, सिलिगुडी, 8069220660।
पंजाब स्टेट डियर राखी बम्पर लॉटरी, पहिलो पुरस्कार 2.5 करोड ग्यारेन्टीड, दोस्रो पुरस्कार 1 करोड करोड, तेस्रो पुरस्कार 50 लाख, अरू थुप्रै आकर्षक पुरस्कारहरू। टिकट 500 रुपियाँ। ड्र 24 अगस्त। पहिलो पुरस्कार केवल बिक्री भएका टिकटबाट। पंजाब स्टेट डियर राखी बम्पर लटरी।
सपनाहरूमा भर्यो रङ्ग, डियर राखी बम्परको सँग।
अमिलालका द्वारिका क्यासल 3वटा सुन्दर टावरहरू, 40वटा लग्जरी फ्ल्याट्सहरू र 20वटा प्रिमियम दोकानहरूको साथमा सिलिगुडीमा तयार भइरहेको छ, जहाँ तपाईँले क्लब हाउसमा जिम, प्ले गार्डन र स्विमिङ पुलको आनन्द लिनुहोस्। यो रेसिडेन्सियल अनि कमर्सियल प्रपर्टी हो, जहाँ 12 फिटभन्दा अग्लो 3 BHK र 4 BHK फ्ल्याट्सहरू उपलब्ध छ। सिलिगुडी सहरको मुटु मानिने सेवोक रोडमा अवस्थित अमिलालका द्वारिका क्यासल तपाईँहरूको पर्खाइमा छ। झट्टै बुकिङ गर्नुहोस् र आफ्नो सुन्दर जीवन सजाउनुहोस्। एड्रेस डन बस्को मोड, सेवोक रोड, सिलिगुडी 8069220660।